Alright, let's look at the homework 11.9, problem number 2. Alright, so we want to find a power series representation for this given function. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so we just have to rewrite a little bit. Alright, so we have, oops, so this is black. Alright, one blue here. Alright, so this is going to be equal to, alright, I'm going to pull out the x. And I'm going to pull out 9 from the denominator. Alright, then you're going to get 1 over, alright, 1. Alright, so pull out 9, so you're going to have plus x squared over 9. I'm going to do a double negative, so minus negative x squared over 9. It's the same thing, right? Right, so therefore, we're going to get, so x over 9 is there. But this part, we can use the summation. N goes from 0 to infinity. Alright, then you have negative x squared over 9 raise it to the n. Alright, then we can clean up a little bit. So you have a summation, actually, maybe clean it up here. Summation 0 to infinity. So you have a negative 1, so you have a negative 1 to the n, right? Then you have x to the 2n. You have another x, so x to the 2n plus 1. Right, so 9 to the n, and you have another one, so you have a 9 to the n plus 1. Right, then we want to find interval convergence. Right, so let's do that. So our value shows up right here, right? Right, then we have, so we want the absolute value of that, so negative sign is gone. So x squared over 9 is less than 1, right? And multiply both sides by 9, you have x squared is less than 9, right? Then, which means that take the square root of both sides. And we know that the absolute value of x is going to be less than square root of 9 is 3. So which means that x is between negative 3 and a positive 3. Right? So it's going to be between negative 3 and a positive 3. Right? So let's plug it in. Right? So we got the x to the 2n plus 1, and then divided by 9 to the n plus 1, right? Then interval is going to be negative 3 to positive 3, right? So let's double check, submit for testing. Oops, I forgot the negative 1, so sorry about that. So it's negative 1. Raise it to the n. Alright, so hopefully this will do it. Alright, submit for testing. Alright, looks like that fixed it. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.